welcome to our video for today, and we will learn this topic, common monomial factor. So we already know what is a monomial in our past lesson. This time we will extract the factor from these numbers. Okay? So I will show you how to do this, but these are the steps. Okay? The steps in getting the common monomial factor. First, you get the common GCF, greatest common factor of the number. And then next is still GCF of the variable. And that's it. Okay? So, number 1, we have 4 plus 8b squared. So, the first step is you will write here an equal sign and you will write 2 parentheses. Enough to put 2 terms inside. So first, we will need to find the greatest common factor of the numbers. So, 4 and 8. What is the greatest common factor? That would be 4. Why? Because 4 is 4 times 1. 8 is 4 times 2. Okay. So, let's go to the variables. Is there a variable here with 4? No. Is there a variable here with 8? Yes, we have b squared. Therefore, if you cannot find GCF, just leave it at is. Alright? Okay, so let's move on to the next step. We have a open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Magbisaya ko, pero magkitsinabot ta. Gigawas na to si 4. Pilay mabilin sa susod. The answer is, kaning permiro, si 4 may nigawas, pilay mabilin sa susod. 0. Kung 0, 4 times 0, 0 ang tani. So, pilay mabilin sa susod. The answer is 1. Kaya nga no, kung ato na i-distribute, 4 times 1, mubalik siya og 4. Okay? How about sa 8? Next is, tanawin mo ang sign, plus mo na. Suwat sa plus direct. Alright? How about 8? Nigawa si 4, pilay mabili ni 8. The answer is 2. Ngano? Because, if you will distribute 4 times 1, 4 plus 4 times 2, 8. Then, since wala na ito hilabti si b squared, pabilin si b squared sa sulod. And this is our 4 is our common monomial factor, and this is the factor. Okay? So, mo na yung atong answer. Number 2. We have a squared plus b, or a squared b plus a squared c. Alright, so let's find the common monomial factor. So, if you notice, we have a squared here, and we have another a squared here. So, we can just rewrite this one as a squared, like this, and then open parenthesis. Kung sa'yo mabilin sa sulod, kung ipagawa si a squared, si b, then, nigawas po si a squared sa second term, ano siya? A squared, open, b plus c, close. So, this is the answer. How about number 3? 16x plus 8x. Let's just put x squared. So, how to factor this one? Okay, so first step, you will need to factor the, or greatest common factor of the number. So what is the greatest common factor of 8 and 16? The answer is 8. And then, what is the greatest common factor of the variables? We have x and x squared. So the answer is x. Open parenthesis. Pila mabilin sa sulod? Bilin sa sulod is 2. Ang ano, 2 times 8x is 16x. Plus, pila mabilin sa sulod? X. Why? Because 8x times x is 8x squared. So this is our answer. Okay, so number 4. Let's have number 4 here. So we have 45 x squared minus 25. So, what is the common factor of 45 and 25? The answer is 5. Is there greatest common factor of variables? There is none. Okay? Walay pares. Okay. So we have open parenthesis. Pilay mabilin sa sulod? It would be 9. Because 9 times 5, 45. Then isuwatan to ang x squared. Para mahimo siyang 45x squared. Minus, then, pilay mabilin sa sulod? The answer would be 5. Because 5 times 5 is 25. So this is our answer. Next, number 5. That would be 6bd minus 8bd squared. So first, GCF of numbers, 8 and 6, that would be 2. Then, variables, natay b parehas. So, i-write to b. Natay d parehas. Pero, usara ka d. Kaya mo may greatest common factor nila. Open parenthesis. 2bd, nga 6bd, pila mabilin sa sulod? Nigawa si b, wa na si b. Nigawa si d, wa na si d. Ang may bilin sa sulod is 3 na lang. Okay, 2 times 3, 6. Nga, bd na dayon. Sabot, minus, pilay mabilin dire. Si 2 nigawa, sa mabilin dire is si 4, kay 8 man siya. So, 4 times 2, 8. Nigawa si p, so wala na b dire. Then, si d nga usa nigawas, so natay d dire sa sulod sa sad. So, 2bd, 3 minus 4d. So, mo ni siya. Alright. So, yes, that's it. This is our lesson for today. And you can rewatch the video if there's parts that you will need to review. And yeah, hopefully you can get good grades in your activities. And always be awesome, guys. Be a math hero. Goodbye.